In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a card in Trello, a useful skill for managing your projects more efficiently. Trello is a popular tool for organizing tasks and collaborating with teams, and being able to duplicate cards will help streamline your workflow considerably. So without further ado, let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. Open your preferred browser and type in the URL. If you haven't logged in yet, you'll see the login option right at the top of the page. Click on it to proceed. You can log in using your email, or if you find it more convenient, use your Google account to sign in swiftly. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section titled Boards in the main menu. Here you'll see an option labeled Your Workspaces. Click on this to display all the boards to which you have access across your workspace. From here, select the particular board that contains the card you want to copy. Clicking on the board will open it up, showing all the lists and cards within. Now locate the card that you wish to copy. This will usually be a task or piece of information you've worked with or plan to reuse. Click on the card to open its menu, making all actions you can perform on this card visible. Upon opening the menu, you'll notice a copy option. Move your cursor over this option and click to initiate the copying process. After clicking copy, you'll have the opportunity to select the board where you want to paste the copied card. This feature is particularly helpful if you manage multiple projects and want to duplicate information across different boards. Choose your desired board as the destination and then move on to select a specific list where the card should reside. The lists act like categories or stages within a project, so picking the right one will ensure that your workflow remains organized. For our example, we're clicking on the In Queue list, but you can choose any other list fitting your needs. Once you've finalized the selection, you'll also have the chance to change the card's position within the list. After confirming everything is as you need it, go ahead and click on Create Card. This will complete the copying process. Finally, after creating the card, close the menu. When you go back to your board, you'll see your newly copied card resting comfortably in the location you specified. It's a seamless process that ensures consistency across projects. Now you can focus on other pressing tasks with your duplicated cards ready for action. And there you go, implementing this simple tool in Trello can immensely improve how you manage repetitive tasks across different projects. Thank you for watching, and be sure to try this out on your Trello boards.